Gaining weight can be achieved by increasing your calorie intake and engaging in regular exercise to build muscle mass. Here are some tips to help you gain weight. Eat more calories than you burn. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. Aim to eat at least 500 to 1,000 calories more than your daily maintenance level. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on consuming foods that are high in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. These foods will help you gain weight in a healthy way. Eat frequently. Try to eat 4 to 6 small meals throughout the day instead of 3 large meals. This will help you consume more calories without feeling too full. Strength training. Engage in strength training exercises to build muscle mass. This will help you gain weight in a healthy way. Rest and recovery. Make sure to get enough sleep and rest to allow your body to recover from your workouts and build muscle. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to gaining weight. Make sure to stick to your diet and exercise plan to see results. Remember, gaining weight in a healthy way takes time and patience. Consult with a healthcare professional to create a personalized plan.